How to verify your Discord account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can verify your Discord account. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your Discord. After you open your Discord, tap on the U section on the bottom right. Now after you tap on it, tap on the gear icon on the top right. Now after you're there, tap on account. Now there you will see email section. Tap on email and you will see the verify email section. Tap on send verification code. Now you will get a verification code. Simply what you need to do is copy that code from your email and paste it here. Now let me just check my email for the verification code and type that in. Now this is the code. Now tap on next, and here you can just simply tap on something else and enter your email again. And after you retype your email, you should be done. So let me do that. So yeah, after you do so, your email will get verified, and that is how you verify your email. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.